kaleidoscope of color embraces the golden land, where colors adorn gold with many hands. In the blooming flowers and the twirling veins are the hues of nature adorning the gold frames. Rajasthan, a mystical melody of colors that paints the gold canvas of the desert. These colors come together to create a mesmerizing art form in jewelry, Meenakari, a surreal manifestation of colorful motifs and designs on gold to create handcrafted masterpieces that epitomize the jewelry art of India. Meenakari traveled from the courts of the Mughals to Rajasthan when, enchanted by the beauty of this art form, the Rajasthani king Man Singh called for some Meenakari artisans from Lahore in the 17th century. Gradually, Jaipur became a hotspot for the Meenakari artisans to learn this handcrafted form of jewelry art.
राजस्थान में तो ये मीने का गढ़ है, मीने के बिना तो चीज सुंदर लगती नहीं है। सोचें तो कम से कम इसमें हाथ से गुजरेगा तब एक चीज तैयार होगी।
Meenakari is done on 22 karat gold, which is made by melting 24 karat gold and mixing it with another metal like bronze, silver or copper. Copper is popular here because it brings a red tint to gold. 22 karat gold is put into machines to obtain thin strips of gold. These strips are cut into smaller gold pieces as per the design. The next artisan then molds and shapes the gold strips to match the design.
डिजाइन कैसे करना है हम डिसाइड करते हैं, काम करते हैं, कहाँ क्या चीज अच्छा लगेगा वहाँ वो चीज उस हिसाब से उसको प्रोसेस कर तैयार कर। वो हाथ के बिना बैठेगा नहीं, क्योंकि उसमें कहीं पे गोल हुआ है, कहीं पे लंबा है, कोई टेढ़ा है।
Once gold has been shaped as per the design, it is put in plaster of Paris, dried and then soldered together to make one framework. Plaster of Paris is then broken and the remaining smaller portions are also soldered together. At this stage, the gold framework of the jewelry is ready. Molten wax is then filled into the framework. Gold is continuously heated and the jewelry piece is smoothened on the edges to maintain a sturdy shape. Carbon forms a layer on gold, because of which it starts appearing black in color. Gold retains its color after it is immersed in liquid acid. Once ready, the jewelry piece comes to the engraver, who adds to the aesthetic beauty of the ornament by engraving animals, vines and flowers and various other designs on it with his hands. The jewelry piece is made sturdy by adding wax to it, and then the engraving happens, first with the pencil and then with the engraving needle. Once engraved, the jewelry piece moves to the stage of Meenakari. These stones are used as colors for Meenakari. These are no ordinary stones. This is colored glass mixed with metal oxides that is imported all the way from Germany and Switzerland.
ये ऐसे भी बड़ी-बड़ी डलियां आती हैं, इनको थोड़ा-थोड़ा तोड़-तोड़ करके पीस करके फिर काम में लिया जाता है। पीसने के बाद तेजाब से धुलता है। धूल मिट्टी वगैरह हुई तो कांच में क्या धुंधलाहट सी आ जाएगी, वो चीज़ एकदम बेकार लगेगी।
There are various ways of doing Meenakari. Some of the most popular ones are Pancharanga, Gulabi and Khula, band or closed Meena.
खुला होता है ट्रांसपेरेंट कलर, रेड हो गया, ब्लू हो गया, ग्रीन हो गया, और बंद होता है जो अपना अंदर से जिला नहीं दिखती उसकी, जैसे अपने तोताई कलर हो गए, फिरोजी कलर हो गए।
बंद मीना 90 के बाद में थोड़ा थोड़ा ये चला है, अब तो इसका ट्रेंड ही चल गया।
During Meenakari, different parts of the engraved pattern are colored individually in an order and heated in the furnace.
पहले ताव में लाल, हरा, नीला, फिर लास्ट में सफ़ेद चलता है, वो दूसरे में नहीं फैले इस चक्कर में।
This is the crucial stage that tests the precision and focus of the artisan. After all, it is only the instinct of the artisan that decides important things like the temperature and color aesthetics just by the judgment of the eye.
आइडिया से ही चलता है ज़्यादातर। वह अपन को मालूम है इतनी देर में अपना मीना पिघल जाएगा, उसके पहले अपन निकाल लो इसको। तो एक पुर्जा कम से कम 5 तावड़ खाता है।
Once the coloring is complete, the jewelry piece is smoothened to accentuate the engraving on gold. It is then heated in the furnace for one last time.
घिसाई में ध्यान रखना पड़ता है पूरा, क्योंकि एक पत्ता ज़्यादा घिस जाएगा तो उसका मीना हल्का बैठ जाएगा, दूसरा पत्ता डार्क हो जाएगा तो ये भी चीज़ नहीं बैठेगी। ये काम बड़ा ध्यान का काम है।
The smoothened jewelry piece is then put in acid to wash out all the impurities and maintain the shine of gold. This is how one ornament of meenakari gets completed, after the perseverance and hard work of the artisans that may range from a few days to many months.
जो हाथ से कारीगर काम करेगा ना, वो मशीन से कभी नहीं करेगी। आजमा के देख लो आप।
Each ornament of meenakari represents the imagination of the artisans. So when you wear a meenakari jewelry piece, you don't just wear an ornament,